Hello everyone, my name's Joshua. I really don't do YouTube videos, but I found this out how to like save so much money, like transferring money, because I live in Thailand and it costs shitloads of money to get your money. So for example, you can go to ATM, pay like 250 Thai baht, what something like that. It's like $7 USD to get your money, right? And then you're paying a terrible exchange rate. So really, you're paying like $13 to get like $200, and it's the same thing with Western Union. I was paying like, let's see here, I was paying $7 for transfers over $200, and then on top of that, the exchange rate was 28.2 Thai baht per dollar. And if you look at the exchange rate, like when I was getting that exchange rate, the Thai pot to dollar conversion rate was like around like 31. So it's an extremely terrible conversion rate. And when you do the math, like that's like what, like 10, $12 there. So really you're paying like $20 to get $200. You might not realize it because you're getting it in a different currency. So it's something you really got to pay attention to. And I'm extremely happy now that I just did some research online and I found Transferwise. And there's other services like it, but honestly, like some of them are really like sketchy if you're like in Thailand specific or just globally. But in Thailand specific, there's like called something called D Money, and it is so sketchy. Like they want your social security, they want like all kinds of crazy information about you. And I just personally, I it's just like you jump into Transferwise's main page, everything's super transparent, and compared to that, it's just really sketchy. And there is other money transferring services like Zoom Money, but the transfer rate compared to like the actual rate is just not there. So I'll give you an example of this, and I'll explain what I do. So right here is just some money I sent to my wife's account right here, and I paid $2.44, right? And it says savings is 16.51, and I'm getting the real time exchange rate. Now, unfortunately, I didn't wait a few days, and the currency rate actually went up, exchange rate. So that sucks to be me. But anyways, so I got that money, and all I paid was $2.44. Now, typically, you will be paying like a fee if you're sending it from your bank to TransferWise. But what I actually did is I created a Transferwise bank account. So quickly, just how to show you how to do that is when you go to your app or in your if you're in the on the website, you just go to your balances thing right here, click it, and you just want to add $20 to your account, and then you have a bank account, and all you do, and then you're gonna have U.S. Bank details, and you could just send it from your bank, or this is what I do is I send it from my PayPal. So I work freelance online, and then I get paid through PayPal, and I send it straight to um, my bank account here, and then I'm paying like barely nothing for my exchange rates. So I hope this helped you guys out. I mean, I know this is tremendous for me because I've just been so tired of getting ripped off. So yeah, I hope so I helped you out. So if you have any questions, just leave them in the comments. I went through the whole process myself, but yeah, enjoy.